Kailan ba talaga yung best time na magpa-insure? Simple answer, habang bata ka pa at habang kumikita ka pa. Kasi sa totoo lang, life insurance is not something that you buy kapag kailangan mo na. It's something that you have to prepare before you need it. Kapag nagkasakit ka na or nagka-health issues ka, may possibility na hindi ka na ma-approve. Or kung ma-approve ka naman, mas mataas na yung premium na babayaran mo. Kaya habang kaya pa ng budget, habang strong and healthy ka pa, that's the best time to start getting insured. Hindi naman to talaga about how much yung kinikita mo. It's about how much you value your family's future and peace of mind. Hindi rin naman kasi kailangan na malaki agad yung plan na kunin mo. Pwede ka mag-start small. Kung ano muna yung kaya ng budget mo. Maliit man yan, at least nakapag-start ka na. And then pag better na yung cash flow mo, pwede ka na magdagdag ng coverage by adding plans. So if you've been waiting for the right time, the best time to get insured was yesterday, but the next best time is today. So kung gusto mo explore yung options mo with Sun Life, i-message mo lang ako. Let's talk about your goals, your needs, and let's see how I can help you build a plan na suited sa needs, sa goals, and sa budget mo.